Hello everyone, welcome to Sizzle and Spice. My name is Steve and today I'm going to share with you a homemade pasta recipe. Tagliatelle al pomodoro. Tagliatelle I'm going to use is a homemade tagliatelle. So, if you need to know how to do the pasta dough, you can go on one of my videos where it shows a homemade pasta and how it's made on Sizzle and Spice, and you have full instructions there and recipes how to do your pasta dough. So let's get started. Today I decided to prepare my own tagliatelle. I'm going to place them portion by portion in a silver dish, and by doing that you can place them in the freezer. You can freeze them as they are. It will take up to 3 months in the freezer and 1 week in the fridge. You are always going to gain time in preparing your food. The most important thing when cooking pasta is that we cook the sauce first for the pasta. Do not cook pasta first, then cook the sauce. Otherwise the pasta is going to lose its texture, and besides that, after you put it in the pan to mix with the sauce, it's going to go even softer. So prepare the sauce first, let it aside, cook the pasta. As soon as it's ready, from the pot straight into the sauce, toss it and serve. And it's going to remain in the texture, the al dente texture you are going to be looking for. Okay, let's get started. Many think that doing a pasta sauce, the more ingredients they're going to add in, the nicer it's going to be. I am sorry, I do not agree with that. This is my opinion. In my opinion, if you're going to do a homemade pasta, you just need to leave the sauce as light as you can, because you're not going to serve sauce with pasta, you're going to serve pasta with sauce, toast and sauce. So you're going to have the remaining flavor of the same pasta, same homemade pasta you have created. This is my pasta recipe for today. Let's start cooking. The ingredients I'm going to use for the sauce with the pasta is very simple. It's garlic, 2 cloves or 3 cloves of garlic, I'm going to add some extra virgin oil. In the meantime, I'm going to start preparing fresh chopped tomatoes. Put in the garlic, now garlic tends to overcook itself very easily. So once it starts sizzling in the pan, you add the tomatoes, flavor the tomatoes up. I'm going to chop some basil, little bit of fresh chives, some mint to flavor. And approximately 1 teaspoon of all-purpose. I'm going to add a little bit of wine, white wine, to sizzle, simmer it down, and season it up with salt and pepper. We'll top it up with extra virgin oil. And this is the type of sauce that I like to create with the homemade pasta I'll be serving. So the sauce is done, and it's time to cook our pasta. So a little bit of rock salt. I like to add a little bit of oil for pasta not to stick. And make sure that when you're cooking pasta, you have the water boiling. If the water is not boiling, then it's going to get mushy and you're going to have a bad result in serving your pasta. So, as you can see, we did the pasta earlier. So we're going to add it to the boiling water. This will approximately take 7 to 8 minutes time. As soon as the pasta feels the boiling water, it will take its texture on. Okay, we try the pasta. After 8 minutes, the pasta is done. So what I will do is, I will add the pasta to the sauce. Toss the pasta and the sauce. And serve. And here you go, folks. We have homemade pasta with a simple tomato sauce, which you will be very proud of to serve to your guests. Just a little bit of garnish to the pasta, a little bit of basil, and I can't wait to try. I hope you enjoyed my homemade pasta recipe today, and I'll be looking forward to come back to you with another recipe. Bye for now.